All right, y'all, I got a tasty one for you today. An easy, cheesy tater tot green bean casserole. Could be good for Thanksgiving, could be good just for a family get together or a nice dinner for the family if you're feeding a few mouths. So we're taking about a pound of ground beef, lean ground beef, or put it on the bottom here. It's a little more than a pound. Get it nice and even on the bottom. So after that, you're going to take cream of mushroom soup and just kind of get it evenly spread over the top of that meat as best you can. You want to make sure and scrape out cans, try to get every little bit of it that you can. Get it? Anyway, moving along. Once you have that on there, we're just going to spread it over the top, on top of our meat. I have not spent much time in the Midwest, but this seems like a really good, like, Midwestern hearty casserole. You Midwestern friends of mine, let me know. I mean, it feels like one of my Southern friends, I'm from the South, would love to make too. There's something about it that makes me think, you know, Ohio. I don't know why. Let me know what y'all think. All right, now that you got that can of cream of mushroom spread over, we're going to take a can of green beans that are already drained, put it over the top of that mixture. Get those spread around. This is a fun little layered hearty casserole. All right, we got our green beans spread on there. I shredded up a pound of cheddar, and we're gonna get that spread over the top of it. 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. If you don't want as much cheese, just do about half this. Me and my family, or my family and I, we like our cheese, as you can tell. So, got our cheese all in there. All right, once we have our cheesy layer on there, I'm gonna take the most fun ingredient. I got some mini tater tots. You can do regular tater tots. I just thought it'd be fun to try some mini tater tots. I got a 20-ounce bag. You may have a few left over. Just get as many on top of it as you can. Probably do a few more. Yeah, I might as well just empty that thing out, actually. I wasn't sure if it would all fit on the top, but it did. Okay, once you have your tater tots on top, we have our oven preheated to 350. We're gonna throw it in there for about 35 to 40 minutes. And this baby should be ready to eat. All right, y'all. It's been about 35, 40 minutes. Ooh, it's looking nice, golden brown. That's how you want it, folks. Now, I usually try things when they're pretty hot, but not today. I'm not trying to burn my mouth off. So we're gonna let it cool off for about 10 or so minutes, and we're gonna try this baby. All right, y'all, let's try this thing. Look at that. Ooh, baby. This really looks like it could be a good option for Thanksgiving. If you want to try something a little different, but some of the traditional things like the green beans. Oh my goodness. Mmm. 2 thumbs up, really, y'all. Not just because I made this. This is really good. And you got like everything you want in a meal. Man, y'all gotta try this at home, for real. It's so easy.